Hi, I'm Meg Glasgow, and this is a quick guide to digital media marketing for frame shops. This is the second video in a three-part series. The first one we talked about where to be on social media, and this one is all about what to say. It's about building a communication strategy to bring more customers into your store. So the first thing is to really understand what you want to use social media for. And I think for me, I look at it as doing three things. The first is to inspire customers to do more art and framing. And that's easy for us because we've got great product photos. The second is to establish yourself as an expert. And video is a wonderful tool to use to do that. And lastly is to engage with customers and build their consumer confidence in your brand. And I've got some ideas on how you can do that as well. So social media is really a fabulous tool. It's amazing, actually. It's a free tool, and you can create a visual brand about your business just using the right photos, the right content, and videos to tell a story around your business. And what's most important, I think, is to be authentic, is to let people really know what you care about and what your passion for framing and your love of it. And I think that is contagious. And I think being authentic is really, really important. It's also important to remember what social media is not, and that is not a place for direct selling. I look at social media all as like a conversation at a cocktail party. It is not a place for direct selling. That's a real turnoff to people. So knowing that you can avoid that sticky mess. And lastly, I think don't overthink this. Just be sincere. Let people into your business and understand more about what you're about. And I think that you'll be successful going forward. And I've got some great ideas on how to do that. So I mentioned before that using social media to inspire your customers is a wonderful way to get started. And so that is with great project photos. So I take photographs of many, many projects and I organize them into certain categories. So if you think about the kind of work that's coming into your shop, whether it be sports or military items or fine art or canvases for stretching, whatever it is, divide those into categories. Keep those photos organized on your desktop that way because it'll make it easier when you're into scheduling your posts. So you might also tie photos into the holiday of the month. There's a website where you can go find all the quirky holidays every day of the year. It's called nationaltoday.com. So go check that out. It might be a little entertaining. So you can post on a regular basis. So it just helps to be consistent. So this second way I like to use social media is to establish myself as an expert. And I mentioned before, video I think is a great way to use that. You can do reels on Instagram that are 30-second videos. Fun little 15-second videos on Instagram stories also is a great way to get customers engaged. So why not show photos or videos of the design process, about when a customer comes in to the shop the first time, about a short video about that experience, about design. Then videos about cutting mats or cutting frames, cutting glass. And how about a video about how to care and clean for glass? That's also would be a good one. So there's all kinds of ideas that you can use and post those videos on your website. So the third area is using social to build trust. I think using customer testimonials is a great way. You can use platforms like Canva to take that testimonial, put it into a graphic that you can download and put it on your social media. So customers with their project photos, there's nothing better than a customer with a big smile on their face holding the custom frame you just finished for them. That's also another great idea. So share your kudos, your awards, anything like that. All those things help to build trust in the minds of the customer. So some final tips. Stay organized. This is so important because I know all of us are so busy. But staying organized. I mentioned collecting those project photos, putting them in files on your desktop makes it super easy. I also repurpose old photos too from projects from years ago because there's somebody out there that hasn't seen it for sure. I also batch my hashtags. So this is a great hack. So if you're using a hashtag generator website on custom framing, it'll give you lots of ideas of other hashtags you can use. Drop all those into a Word document. Then you can just copy and paste into your post. This is all when you can run it on desktop if you're using Facebook's Creator Studio, for example. That allows you to schedule posts both on Instagram and Facebook at one time, which is a lifesaver for me. So I usually go on a Sunday night, my husband's watching sports, I'm sitting on my laptop, just typing away and scheduling out a week's worth of posts. So I hope that helps. So if you like this, you can follow me. I've got some great stuff on my website, megglasgow.com. And you can follow me on Instagram at Glasgow_Meg. And also follow TrueView Supports. There's a lot of great helpful information out there for that as well. So we'll see you again soon.